That was stressful. Whew. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we're going to be doing a 10-minute makeup challenge. So yeah, if you want to see how I go with the 10-minute makeup challenge, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm just gonna put my hair, just take that out of the way. I've got my timer here. So I'm so nervous. All right, let's go. Okay, so the timer's gone off. That's the 10 minutes done. I think that I did a lot better than what I was expecting. I managed to get on pretty much everything. So foundation, I got on some lipstick as well, which looks terrible. I did a bit of eyeshadow and some brows, some highlight. I did some contour and bronzer, or just like contour, I don't know. But I think I did okay, and I did blush and highlighting as well. I think I did okay. I'm quite happy with how I went with that challenge. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video if you found it, if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Whew, that was a bit stressful. That was quite stressful. So this is the look that we've come up with. It looks very unfinished to me. I need to put on some lashes. But I think that I did really well. I think I did really well overall. I managed to like do pretty much everything. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take some deep breaths right now after doing that challenge. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this, and I'll see you in my next video.